Hey, my beautiful sweet friends, how you doing today? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another video. Hey! Friends, I would like to talk today about a topic that touches the core of who we are and where we want to go as a community, guys. Unity. U-N-I-T-Y. U-N-I-T-Y stands for unity. U-N-I-T-Y. Let's talk about the importance of unity. Unity is not just a buzzword, it's the foundation of strong, thriving communities. A unified community is one where differences are celebrated. Celebrate, guys, celebrate. Challenges are tackled together and progress is shared by all. When we unite, we create a space where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued. A space where everyone belongs, guys. U-N-I-T-Y. But unity isn't something that happens by chance. It's a choice, guys. It's a commitment and often a challenge. And let's talk about understanding our differences. Our communities are like mosaics, right? Made up of different colors, shapes, and textures. These differences, whether cultural, generational, or socioeconomic, are not barriers but opportunities. They offer us a chance to learn from one another and to grow stronger together, guys. Together, we can make a difference. However, guys, unity doesn't mean we have to agree on everything. It means we agree on one thing, and that's to value each person in our community. Let's value each other. So we're overcoming barriers. Let's be honest. Division is easy. Division is so easy. Overcoming barriers. Let's be honest. Division is easy. It's easy to stick to what we know, to avoid tough conversations, and to let fear of misunderstanding guide our actions. But division weakens us, guys. It drains us of our energy and it keeps us from reaching our full potential, and it's a distraction. So we need to stay focused. So how do we overcome these barriers? We have to listen to each other with empathy. Listening is more than hearing. It's understanding the feelings and the experiences behind someone's words. We have to act with intention. Take steps, no matter how small, to build connections. We have to take these steps to build these connections, guys. Smile at your neighbor, wave at your neighbor. Hey, neighbor. Support a local business or volunteer for a community project, guys. And we have to lead by example, guys. Let's lead by example. Be the change that you want to see in the world, guys. When others see unity in action, they're more likely to join in. U-N-I-T-Y. U-N-I-T-Y stands for unity. U-N-I-T-Y. U-N-I-T-Y stands for unity. And let's talk about the role of leadership. Unity starts with leadership, but leadership doesn't just come from elected officials or community leaders. It comes from every single one of us. Leadership comes from every single one of us. Each of us has the power to influence our surroundings in positive ways. We all have that power, guys. A vision for the future, guys. Let's talk about the vision for the future. Imagine what our community could look like if we truly embrace unity. Let's embrace unity. Imagine neighborhoods where everyone feels safe, schools where every child has equal opportunity to succeed. Guys, isn't that amazing? Schools where every child had an equal opportunity to succeed, and a local economy where businesses thrive because of the community, guys, who supports them. All the community supporting each other. Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful, right, guys? U-N-I-T-Y. The vision isn't a dream. It's a possibility, but it's up to us to make it a reality. So here's my call to action. I challenge each of us to leave here today with a commitment to unity. U-N-I-T-Y. Reach out to someone you don't know, or reach out to someone you do know. Attend a community meeting. Advocate for inclusivity in your workplace, your school, or an organization. Small actions, guys, when multiplied, can create a ripple effect that transform our community. So let us remember that unity is not a destination, but a journey, guys. So let's remember that unity is not a destination, but a journey. It's a journey we take together. Together, we can make a difference. Step by step, hand in hand, guys, hand in hand. Together, we are stronger. Together, we are resilient. Yes. Together, we can create a community, guys, where everyone thrives, guys. Everyone can thrive. Thrive in 2025. Everyone can thrive, guys. So thank you so much for listening, guys. I appreciate you all so much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for liking, watching, commenting, and subscribing. I truly and sincerely appreciate you all so much. Love you lots, friends. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have the most amazing day. Bye for now. Love you. U-N-I-T-Y. U-N-I-T-Y stands for unity.